Hi, it's Brandon from All American Thrills. You are watching our latest construction update of Hershey Triple Tower at Hershey Park. This is our first update since construction began just after Labor Day. All of this footage was taken after just 4 days of construction, so you can see clearly the park is wasting no time. There is where Red Baron used to be. What a difference a few days makes. You may remember our first video, which was a walkthrough of the area prior to any construction beginning, and now you can look and see the progress that the park has made in just 4 days of construction. So riding the monorail now to give you a bit of a higher look, you can see Convoy is gone. As I mentioned earlier, Red Baron is also gone. All 3 of these kiddie rides are being relocated. And also Flying Falcon is gone as well. Did not take long for Flying Falcon to come down. Tons of heavy construction equipment in the area. We're very excited to see such a great start to the construction of Hershey Triple Tower, since it is going to be opening, or is scheduled to open, springtime in the park 2017. And then just a view from the Kissing Tower. You can really see how large that space was where the 3 kiddie rides used to be and where Triple Tower is going. And then as well, you can see Falcon's base there with Falcon gone. The skyline of this area really is different with Flying Falcon no longer there, but it's going to be even more different next year with 3 towers of varying heights. This view will be totally different next year. Thank you for watching this update of Hershey Triple Tower. Make sure you subscribe to Alt View here on YouTube so you always know when we post a family-friendly theme park video. Additionally, be sure to like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow on Twitter and Instagram, and visit our website, allamericanthrills.com, for tons of family-friendly theme park content, videos, updates, and other information. Again, thank you for watching this update. We will see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.